another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today's a different episode. We're going to be cleaning the Stampin Scrub. So this is our Stampin Scrub, and we open it up, and this has been so used and it is so dirty, and it's full of all the ink that we clean and condition our stamps on. So what we're going to do is turn on the tap and run it under the water, and you will see all of the, see, I told you it was pretty dirty. How gross is that? And we can do the other side. Even though this is our drier side, there will still, oh, look at that. Still be lots of yuck coming out of that. What we can also do, because it is so disgusting, it's probably embedded into there, is add a little bit of dishwashing liquid, and we can massage that in and get that all soaped up. Okay, I think this is not going to be a quick solution today. I think it's very super duper inky, and it's going to take a lot of time for the water to start running clear. So give it a nice good clean today. Run the tap on it. This side. Ooh. Okay. I'm not seeing as much colour now coming out of it. That is looking so much better. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my tap. Just going to push down and squeeze some of the water out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit it upright and just let that drain out a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to come back and see if there's any ink still starting to run out of it. And if there is, I'm just going to run that under the tap again until what's coming out of it turns clear. And if I need to repeat the process, I'll start that all over again. Okay, maybe not add the dishwashing liquid, but just run it out. I want to also make sure that the dishwashing liquid is out of it and it's not soapy anymore. Oh, look at that. It's already started to run with the inky water again. So yeah, just massaging it so that it comes right out of there. Okay. Once I'm done, I can then leave it on the side of the bar or sideways, or I can turn it upright and let it drain that way. And we're going to be ready to get stamping again. I hope this is helpful for you, and if you haven't cleaned your Stampin' Scrub in a while, get to it. Today is a great day to have a go. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.